If you've just arrived in the UK, you'll need a passport when you rent a property, and actually not a great deal else. That's, legally speaking, all that you'll actually need. The financial issue is something that will have an effect on you though. So you'll need to prove to the agent or the landlord or both that you can actually afford the property. You could do this by, for example, showing them a contract of employment with a UK employer that you're coming to work for, or if you've got a vast amount of savings somewhere, you could show them balance statements for your accounts. The other thing that you could do, which kind of cuts out all of that, is if you have an amount of capital behind you, just pay the rent in advance. So if the rent's £1,000 a month and you're there for 6 months, just give them £6,000 plus the deposit, and then it will almost be no questions asked. You've paid the rent, they're not going to worry too much about your financial situation. They'll still do some basic checks, but nothing too involved, hopefully. Other than that, I think just make sure that you use a good agent who's a member of a redress scheme, something like the Property Ombudsman scheme. And when you pay your deposit, ensure that it's lodged in a protection scheme as well, so that when you leave, you've got no difficulties getting the deposit back, and any disputes can be easily sorted out.